In this video, I replaced my Alienware 17 processor, and I'll show you how to do this as well. You can see here I'm grounding myself with a dinky little DIY grounding cable. I'm replacing my i7 4800MQ with an i7 4930MX. At the time that I bought this laptop, I would have had to pay, I think, about $1,000 to upgrade to the 4930MX, but now that 2.5 years have gone by, the price of the 4930MX has come down quite a bit, and I was able to purchase it for under $400. The first thing I do is unplug the battery. And then press the power button a few times to make sure all of the capacitors in the laptop are discharged. Then I remove the CPU fan plug and remove the CPU fan. Now, I remove the 4 screws holding the CPU cooler onto the CPU. Once that's done, the whole heatsink can be removed. As you can see, the heatsink has gotten pretty dirty. And now you need a Torx screwdriver with a T8 bit in it. Use this screwdriver to loosen the CPU socket, and now you can remove your old CPU. You can see I completely forgot to put gloves on. I don't think gloves are necessary, but I think it's good practice to use them, at least with your new CPU. Now you can install the new CPU, and be careful not to bend any of the pins. It is a really small space to put something so delicate, and you can see my hands are quite shaky. Now, again using that T8 Torx screw, tighten the CPU socket. I took this sticker off just because I was a little worried about a sticker being in a place that gets so hot. So I'm not really sure if you're supposed to take it off or not, but I decided to, so. Put some thermal paste on your CPU, and when you do this, make sure to use a blob or a line. If you use a circle, you can get an air bubble trapped in there, which won't allow the middle part of your CPU to become coated in thermal paste. Now you need to reinstall your heatsink. Before I reinstalled mine, I did my best to clean it without any compressed air available. Now just reinstall the fan. Plug your battery back in. And then test out your new CPU. You shouldn't need to reinstall Windows. It will configure itself to the new CPU. Also, the first time you turn on your laptop after replacing the CPU, it will take some additional time before it displays the normal loading sequence on the monitor. Don't freak out when this happens. It's only going to happen the first time you start the computer with the new hardware. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and good luck with your own CPU install.